In this video, I will introduce you a new app download method for downloading apps on your Fire Stick. This method right here has never been shared before, making you the very first to discover it. And by following this tutorial, you'll have access to over 300 exclusive applications that are not found in the Amazon App Store. These apps feature live content, on-demand content, adult content, and much more. This method will work on any Fire TV device. And regardless of your experience level, this journey is for everyone, as I will guide you through each step of the process. So let's not waste any more time and let's dive in right away. First step we're going to do is download an application. Head over to your search magnifier on your home screen, scroll down and hit select on the search bar. It's going to pop up the keyboard and we're going to search for the app called Downloader. Type in D-O and you already see Downloader is suggested. Scroll down, highlight it and hit select on the remote control. It's going to be this app right here, Downloader. Hit select one more time and you want to hit select one more time to start the installation process. Wait for it patiently, and after that is done, you don't need to open it right away. What we're going to do now is press the home menu, and in the home screen you want to go all the way to the far right to the settings gear and you want to scroll down and you want to find and highlight My Fire TV, select it, and in here you have a few options. We're going to go to the About menu, hit select on About. And here we'll have the top name Fire TV Stick. It might say something else for you depending on what Fire TV device you have. For me, it says Fire TV Stick. So in here, you want to press 8 times on the select button to become a developer. After 8 times, you'll become a developer and that's it. Now you can press the return button on your remote control and you will see developer options appearing. Highlight it and hit select. And in here, you want to toggle on ADB debugging. Just hit select and it will be toggled on. Now you want to scroll down, highlight install unknown apps, hit select on the remote control, and you want to toggle on Downloader. Just like this. And that's it. Now we can press the home button and we will be taken back to the home screen. Let's go to our apps and scroll down where we find the Downloader app. In here, you want to make sure to reorganize the apps you want up front. So in this case, if I press the menu button on my remote control and hit select, we can put the Downloader app all the way to the front. Place it where you want it, and you want to make sure to do this with also the other apps we're going to download, or else they might easily get disappeared right here. Let's go ahead and open Downloader. First time opening up the Downloader app, it's going to pop up this message. You want to hit allow so we can start downloading apps from the Downloader app. Now hit OK here, and you want to make sure to scroll up until you highlight the keyboard right here and hit select. And now you want to type in a code. The code is going to be 6751882. Highlight go and hit select. Now it's going to load up this new app download method, never seen before. Go ahead and scroll to accept, highlight it and hit select. Wait patiently now for everything to load up, and until it does, I just want to let you know using a VPN is crucial for protecting your online privacy and security. It encrypts your internet connection, safeguarding your data from hackers and tracking. Additionally, it's very important to use a VPN while following this tutorial on your Fire TV Stick. So I've been using NordVPN for a very long time now, and that's the one that I recommend overall, and here's why.
In some countries, you might need a VPN to make this work. That being said, unlock a world of online freedom and security with NordVPN by using our exclusive discount code. This will give you ultimate privacy, access to all content, and much more. Check out the discount link in the description.
So that's NordVPN. I will leave the link in the description so you can get yourself a discount. I highly recommend you getting a VPN, any VPN for that matter. In this case, I'm using NordVPN, and I can show you right now. If we select downloads right here, and the first thing you will see if you scroll down right here is you are unprotected. That's because this Fire Stick has no VPN currently installed. And if this website can see that you have no VPN, your internet provider can also see everything you're doing. So that's why it's crucial to get a VPN. Again, I highly recommend NordVPN. This new app download method has a super user-friendly interface. You can see that everything is filtered right here, and you can select any app you want, or category for that matter. So if you're only looking for live content, you can hit and select Live TV. Then you will see all the apps categorized under that category. So that's really cool. And like mentioned before, this download method provides access to over 300 free applications, each focused on specific content. Again, they are free, but for a hassle-free experience without the need to search through all 300 apps, I've pinned the best ones on top. These top apps grant access to all live content in the world, including pay-per-view, on-demand and adult content. They are the top choices for entertainment. While they do require a small subscription fee, I use them daily. And in my opinion, they're definitely worth it. So check it out for yourself if you want. Now let's continue. You want to make sure to make the web page full screen. You do this by pressing the menu button and scroll down until you see full screen, hit select, and now you have a beautiful full screen. So these are all the categories you can select from, and there are 300 applications. Keep in mind, I will also leave the link of this site in the description. And why do I do that? Well, it's because you can visit this website on a phone or a laptop or a computer, making it very easy for you to search apps you want to install later on your Fire Stick. That being said, for this tutorial, we are going to do a demonstration on how to install any of these applications. We're going to go for a small application, and in this case, we're going to do a VPN. I'm going to highlight this category, and you can see right here, it's going to be NordVPN, the app that we're going to be installing. Hit select, and you'll be taken right here. Almost all applications has a good description explaining what it is. This one has a pretty short one because I already know and because I've already said what NordVPN does. So scrolling down right here, you will see the download files. And most files even have a backup. So if one is not working, you can always go for the backup file. Just highlight download right here and hit select. After that, you wait patiently for the app to get downloaded. And after that is done, it's gonna pop up this menu. And you can scroll down and then to the right. So you highlight install, hit select, and it's gonna start the installation process. And that's how easy all this is for all the 300 apps. It's all that it takes right here. And it's installed. Now we can press done. And make sure to delete the downloaded files as you don't need them anymore and it will only take up space on your Fire TV device. Now you can press the home button and you can enjoy any app you want. Go to the app section right here and we have NordVPN right here. I want NordVPN on top, so go ahead and put it right here. And that's how easy this is. That being said, this video has come to an end. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day. Goodbye.